Hi, Jessie here. So happy you found this video because that means that you want to learn more about pink pepper, doTERRA's pink pepper essential oil. I can promise you, you're not going to find a better pink pepper essential oil out there, and I'm so thrilled and excited to teach you about this oil. I'm going to share with you 10 practical ways you can use pink pepper. This is just the tip of the iceberg, you guys. There's a lot of things that I can't share with you in this video, but if we were working together on a one-on-one basis, I could share with you more freely. So take these 10 ideas, run with it, and then if you're not working with anyone yet in doTERRA, I would love to be able to be your essential oil mentor, help hook you up with 25% off when you order, and then all the other fun things that can come along with having your own account. But let's talk about pink pepper. Are you ready? Number one. First thing we got to talk about is using essential oils for your emotions. All essential oils have an emotional side to them where you can use them for a specific emotional need. Pink pepper has one. Pink pepper is the essential oil of intrinsic quality. And you're like, what exactly does that mean? So just think about these words I'm going to say. And if you're like, oh, I want to feel those words, then that's telling you that you need some pink pepper in your life. Compassionate, accepting of self, kind, merciful. Just take a deep breath. That's nice. Number two, I want you to use pink pepper in the skinny jeans challenge. So the name is sort of descriptive of what you're trying to accomplish with the skinny jeans challenge, but you need to get yourself some veggie caps, and then you need to get a couple essential oils. Pink pepper is one of them, and you're going to do 2 drops of each of the oils in a veggie cap 2 times a day, and then you're going to just wait and see what happens. It's going to be cool. So you need to do 2 drops of yarrow palm, frankincense, turmeric, black pepper, and pink pepper for the skinny jeans challenge. Number 3, make candle melts. So maybe you're like me and you used to buy those devices where you would put the candle wax in them and then you turn them on and then they'd melt and they would make your home reek. It's crazy, just some of the things that I think about that I used to do. But hey, it is what it is. But maybe you have some of those devices around your house that are going unused, or if you are using the ones that make your house reek and that are toxic, and I say this without judgment, but you need to throw away those wax molds and then make your own using pure essential oils that are not toxic. If you would like a recipe for making candle melts with pink pepper and citrus bloom, shoot me a message. My contact information is in the show notes, and I can send you that recipe, and you can have fun doing a DIY with essential oils. Number 4, use pink pepper in the kitchen. It's a great one that you can use in your cooking. Recipes call for pink pepper, use pink pepper. Now, it's not equivalent, so if it says like a teaspoon of pink pepper, don't use a teaspoon of pink pepper essential oil, okay? Just start with 1 drop and then go from there, and you can taste. But I have a really fun recipe for pink pepper lime fajitas. Does that just sound amazing or what? So if you want that recipe, again, just shoot me a message and I can send that recipe right over to you. Number 5, make immunity tea and add pink pepper to it. So at the end of this video, I'm going to have my immunity tea video pop up where I share the recipe for that. But then in addition to everything I share in that video, add in some pink pepper. Some people love, love, love that pink pepper addition to their immunity tea. So go check that out. Number 6, I want you to use pink pepper for breast health support to help detox and love on your breasts. So I have a rollerball recipe to share with you. You're going to do 10 drops of pink pepper, 10 drops of frankincense, 10 drops of grapefruit, and then top the rest of it with fractionated coconut oil. And then you're going to massage that into your breasts 2 times a day for 30 days. And then you're going to do that quarterly to help support your breast health. Number 7, you're going to do a pink pepper foot soak with Epsom salts and pink pepper. So get a tub of warm water. You're going to put Epsom salts in there. But before you do the Epsom salts, you're going to mix the pink pepper in with the Epsom salts and then toss it into the water, let it emulsify up, and then soak your feet for a nice, gentle detox. Number 8, dry skin brush using pink pepper. If you've never tried dry skin brushing, I'm warning you right now, it's addictive. It's a great, great habit to add into your skincare health regime. Dry skin brushing is really awesome to support your lymphatic system. So if you need tips on how to dry skin brush, let me know. But I'm telling you, if you haven't tried adding in essential oils with your dry skin brushing regime, it's just like the cherry on top. It's a great thing to do. So pink pepper And you can play around with different oils other than pink pepper for dry skin brushing. But if you specifically want to work on cellular protection to support your body on a cellular level and your breast health, use pink pepper with dry skin brushing. Number 9, add pink pepper to your deodorant. Now here's my tip. Check your deodorant and make sure it doesn't say antiperspirant on it, because if it says antiperspirant, there's probably some pretty bad stuff in there that if you knew it was there, you wouldn't want to be putting on such a gentle, important part of your body. So go ahead and do that and get yourself a good natural deodorant. And then you're going to put 1 to 2 drops on top of that deodorant stick, and then just, and there you go. And then you'll get benefits of pink pepper in addition to your deodorant. Or if you like DIYing, then you could make a natural deodorant with fractionated coconut oil. So be in a roller ball. You need to get 4 oils. You're going to do 10 drops of pink pepper, 10 drops of neroli, 5 drops of frankincense, and 5 drops of tea tree. And then fractionated coconut oil the rest of the way. And then you're just going to roll that on your armpits just like you would deodorant. Number 10, diffuse pink pepper. Remember, diffusing can just change the environment and the atmosphere of a room, whether you're wanting to support your body and some sort of health thing that's going on in your body, or if you want to support your mood, you want help with your sleep. Diffusing is where it's at, and it's so simple. So we need to diffuse pink pepper. Now maybe you're like my daughter and you like diffusing pink pepper because the label is pink. There you go. That works great. But you can also use pink pepper because of the emotional benefits that I mentioned earlier. Try this diffuser recipe. 2 drops of pink pepper, 2 drops of eucalyptus, and 3 drops of lemon. Just let me know what you think. You're going to love it though. And if you've ever tried diffusing pink pepper, just in the comments, please share your diffuser recipe to give other people ideas. So go check out the comments, add your own idea for diffuser recipe, and then we can all learn and come up with some fun diffuser recipes, because sharing is caring. That wraps up this video. Remember, I mentioned at the beginning, pink pepper, there's so much that pink pepper can do, and I'm limited on what I can say in this video. So this is the tip of the iceberg. If you want to learn more, if you're not working with someone else already in doTERRA, I would love to be your essential oil mentor, share more with you about pink pepper and other essential oils. I love teaching people about essential oils. So if you're ready to learn, I'm ready to teach you some more. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. My information is in the show notes if you want to ask questions, or if you're ready to get started with your own wholesale account so you can order and get 25% off whenever you want to order. I would love to help you with that. In the meantime, have a great day. I'll see you on my next video.